Ever wondered if a tiny plug-in device can magically cut your fuel costs and make your car run better? NeoSocket Fuel Saver claims to do exactly that, promising improved fuel efficiency, enhanced engine performance, and noticeable savings at the pump with just a simple connection to your vehicle. Sounds too good to be true, right? In this review, we take a closer look at what NeoSocket actually offers and whether it lives up to its bold claims. On paper, the device markets itself as a revolutionary solution for every car owner, using buzzwords like optimization and efficiency to suggest that it can transform your driving experience. However, when you dig deeper, several red flags become apparent. There's no concrete evidence or independent testing that proves it can improve fuel economy, and automotive experts have not verified any of its performance claims. The plug-and-play design is appealing, but promises of instant improvements in mileage and engine response are highly unrealistic for any simple electronic add-on. Customer reviews online appear to be inconsistent, and some might even be exaggerated or fake, which makes it hard to trust anecdotal claims. Additionally, the device is often rebranded and sold under multiple names, suggesting it's a generic product rather than a specialized fuel-saving innovation. Price-wise, it seems expensive compared to similar devices available on the market, yet it lacks certification or backing from car manufacturers. While some users might notice minimal changes due to placebo effects or driving behavior adjustments, the majority of evidence points toward marketing hype rather than measurable results. NeoSocket Fuel Saver is not a definitive scam, nor is it a guaranteed solution to cut fuel costs. It sits in a gray area where expectations are often inflated by clever advertising. If you're curious about fuel-saving gadgets, it's important to approach products like this with caution and research before investing, because the reality often falls short of the claims.